Riding a bike is kind of a zen-like thing. I don't know how to explain, guys. Whenever I step on a bike and ride, I just feel so calm, peaceful, entirely to my own self. It feels like freedom, but in a different kind of way. It's not like you want to rush and do stuff just because you got some freedom. It's just there is a soul into this. Today afternoon I just went to the RTO to get some formalities done for my first ever bike, the Royal Enfield Classic 500. And though I got hold of the owner finally, and he agreed to get it transferred after what, like 8 to 10 years. But he lost the original RC, so I had to apply at the RTO to get a duplicate. So they'll do a formal FIR, and then we'll get the duplicate license. Once that is there, the transfer can be done. It just reminded me a lot about what I was going through when I first got my bike. I was 25 when I got my first bike, guys. Till such time, whenever I wanted to get a bike, my father used to say, just take a look at the paper, beta. Look at all these accidents. He never called me beta, but he used to just show me the newspaper and said, if you want a vehicle, go take a car. Go take the car instead of the bike. So I was waiting for a motorcycle since I was in intermediate or +1, +2. That's a long time to get your first bike. I was taking my cousins or friends' bike here and there, and it was difficult. All that wait translated to the best experience that I'm having now. And whenever I get a chance, I can't wait or I can't miss to ride. And I want to do long distances, and the love just grew over time. It's just perfect. Just like that beautiful sunset over there. This is the best thing that happened to me in the last 2 decades, if I have to be honest. Just getting on the bike and traveling wherever I want. And for all those who are just planning to get a new bike, I would say your time will come, so don't push it, don't stress your family about it. I enjoyed cars more in my teenage than bikes, but each have their own, and you'll get your turn. And when you get your turn, you'll make the best of it. And in one way, I would say waiting for my bike actually made me understand the safety aspect a lot better, and I feel I'm in a better control of a bike than I would have been if I, let's say, started as a hooligan at 13 or 14. Loving my EBC brake pads. Got a new set for the front and the rear probably 2,000-3,000 kilometers earlier, and they are brilliant. They are as good, if not better, than the stock ones. And the dive you saw was pretty much the characteristic of this bike. We'll do the upgrades later. Anyway, just heading to meet Shriman, Chaitanya, Pranav. We are heading for a small ride this weekend, so need to plan for that. And also me, Shriman, wanted to meet and plan our Feb ride, the end of the month ride. That's going to be a long ride, at least 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers. That's going to be a fun ride, guys. We are having some interesting locations in mind. Let's see. So I'm heading the Triumph showroom. That's where Pranav and Chaitanya will be. Shriman's going to join them. Talking about Triumph showroom, oh boy, it's been a while since I went to that showroom. I'm planning for the second bike. I've sold my Street Twin and I've sold the Apache. Apache place me will get probably the Aether. That's still work in progress. We're still working through a few things with Aether on that regard. But for Street Twin, I'm in two minds. I owned a Triumph. I'm owning a BMW. I want to own a Ducati or any other brand. Ducati is at the top of the list. But I heard the showroom and the service experience is still at an early stage. Personnel are changing frequently. I'm not getting the same confidence that I get with the BMW management that I'm from the Ducati management. And I find a lot of second-hand Ducatis in the market, not first-hand. So that's also a big indication of how the owners look at their bikes. You get great quality second-hand bikes, but personally I'm somehow not interested in purchasing a second-hand. Purchased one except for my first ever car, which was an Honda Accord. It did 164,000 miles, not kilometers. I got it from my uncle. I paid him a nominal amount of $500. I don't even know why I paid that. So still looking for that second bike. Where is the other man? Shriman. బ్యాగ్ చూపిస్తావు ఏంట్రా?
శ్రీమాన్ అనుకుంటే శ్రీ బాయ్ వచ్చాడా?
ఏ ప్రణవ్ ఏంది ఇక్కడేం పని?
బ్రేక్ ప్యాడ్స్. అన్లైక్ us is a Triumph owner bro.
బ్రేక్ ప్యాడ్స్ మార్చాలా? ఏ నాది మార్చారా?
ఇది ఈబీసీ బ్యాచ్.
ఈబీసీ కిల్లర్ బెస్ట్. మా వాడు ఒక్కడే ఓఎం బ్రేక్ ప్యాడ్స్ కొన్నాడు. ఎంత పడింది?
20,000 more than you.
Good. Cheers. Orange ones. Red. Okay, I have a question. I want a second bike. Do you think Trident makes a good choice?
You have 10,000 rupees a month, yes.
10,000 rupees a month.
Exact అదే కదా.
But I feel you'll overgrow it in like 3.
బ్యాచ్ హెల్మెట్ లేకుండా నడుపుతారు.
What is this bike? Hey. Or how about that as a second bike?
What you need bro? What are you looking for?
I'm confused. I don't know.
అచ్చా సో డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి ధూళి ఉంది.
సేమ్ బ్యాచ్. అంత డబ్బులు లేవులే, కొంచెం దూలా.
Come on, dip it.
So that's the old bike I used to have. This Shiva had it. My eyes are on the Rocket and the Trident. Trident probably too small. Interesting stuff.
Extremely tight. So
Hey, Scorpion. Oh, cool. There is a one.
There
There are some Scorpion helmet there.
I wanted a light waist band. That's what ST1400 is ఉంటారు కదా. Scorpion I don't understand.
AGV helmet కొంటారు. AGV helmet కొని 3 months 6 months అమ్మేశారు. And already Steeman already 1 month లో లూజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఏ వాట్ AGV? This actually looks వీడి ముందు యాక్చువల్లీ అంటే ఇంకో తన్నైపోయింది అమ్మ జీవితం. ఫ్రీడమే లేదు వీడి ముందు. చెడగొడతావా? చెడగొట్టు.
టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తుంటే చేయబుద్ది.
అరే దట్ లుక్ సో గుడ్ యార్ అండ్ సీమ్స్ వెల్ డన్. నాట్ మెనీ షాప్స్ డూ ఇట్ సో వెల్. ఫ్లాట్ వైట్ కి క్యాపుచినోకి చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది తెలుసా? స్లాబ్ మాస్టర్ ప్రణవ్.
టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తుంటే
బ్లాక్ కాఫీ క్యాపుచినో డైట్ బాగుంది. చెప్పాలా నీ గురించి? Jishan, he is also talking about your shoes. Good shoes. అక్కడ ఫోటో దిగావా బాగా?
ఫోటోలు చూపించండి.
ఏమున్నాయని 10 కిలోలు తగ్గినాడు. Chaitanya and Pranav had dinner plans at home, so they left. But me, Shriman, and now we have Aditya joining us. So we're just heading out for dinner at Joint. Serious thoughts going on about the second bike. You guys should let me know in the comment section what would be the ideal second bike for me. Budget was originally 7. The max I can push is still maybe 11. And I want to take something in this year or next year. That's the plan. Rocket would be very expensive, 21.5 on road. I don't think I'll have that much of budget, but that looks hot, yeah, hot. This is the place that we recently found and we like it a lot. Pretty good, yeah. Hey, Adi.
డాల్బీ విజన్ సౌండ్ రా, కెమెరా కాదు. డాల్బీయా కెమెరానా? ఏ వాట్సాప్.
Hi.
హాయ్.
I actually wear a standard, not iPhone standard.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారా? ఎక్కడ లేవు.
వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ న్యూ వ్లాగ్. అంతేరా?
అంతేనా? తర్వాత రాదా?
అంతేరా,
బాగా చెప్పావు.
చాలు. దానికే కష్టం.
సో ఫ్రైడే సెట్.
జింక్స్ చేయకు, వస్తా అని చెప్పా కదా, వస్తా.
అరే వీఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ వన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లదాఖీ బ్యాచ్.
అక్కడ ఆడి కోసం
ఎంటీ సీట్ పెట్టావా? హౌస్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్
మీకోసం మేము తినే ఫుడ్లో ఒక ఫ్రై, మేము కూర్చునే సీట్లో ఒక సీటు, ఎప్పుడు అలా ఉంచేస్తాం సూచన్.
తప్పదు. మా వాడు ఇప్పుడు బ్యాచులర్ కాదు, కమిటెడ్. అంటే మేము కమిటెడ్లే, వీడు
నేను
ఎంతమందికి కమిటెడ్?
నో కమెంట్స్.
బాగుందా? బాగా తింటున్నావు? ఎక్కువ తిప్పకు, పట్టేస్తుంది. లవ్లీ ప్లేస్ యార్, లవ్లీ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, పన్నీర్ బటర్ మసాలా బర్గర్ పేరే చూద్దాం. లెట్స్ ట్రై అండ్ సీ. కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చిల్లీ. The temperature is 23 degrees, but because there's a lot of vegetation here, it's kind of chilly. But oh boy, riding in the night is fun, yaar. Super fun, especially here in Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills where the roads are twisty. This is super fun. Auto Babu right kahan le raha hai? And I love this KBR circle route, yaar. So much fun on a bike. Oh, here the temperature suddenly dropped by 2-3 degrees here. KBR must be so cold inside. This is where you have to be very careful in the turns braking on any bike. This has cornering ABS, but still, in the last video when I got this bike back from the showroom right here, I was going a little too excited and carried too much speed. But this bike corrected itself very well. The electronics in this are brilliant here. Had multiple instances where I was kind of too close for comfort, and the electronics saved it. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Short and sweet. If you have any suggestions about my next bike, let me know in the comment section, because I'm kind of confused. Would definitely love to take your opinion. And I always see all the comments. Sometimes they're harsh and rude, but part of the job. But I definitely see, and if it is something progressive, interesting, fun, appreciative, I'll definitely acknowledge them. Hope you enjoyed the short bike ride video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.